Did you know that culture has a profound impact on our lives? Our beliefs, values, traditions, and behaviors are shaped by the culture we are born into. Culture defines who we are, influences how we think, and determines how we perceive the world around us. It's like an invisible lens through which we see and experience life. From the food we eat to the way we communicate, culture plays a significant role. It colors our language, our gestures, and our expressions. It's what makes us unique, yet it also connects us to others who share the same cultural background. But culture is not just about what we inherit from our ancestors. It constantly evolves and adapts to the changing times. As we interact with different cultures, our own perspective broadens, and we become more open-minded and accepting. Understanding culture helps us create a more inclusive society. By embracing diversity, we can break down barriers, promote mutual respect, and foster a sense of belonging for everyone. In schools, cultural education is crucial. It helps students develop empathy, tolerance, and appreciation for others. It prepares them to thrive in a globalized world and paves the way for a better future.
In a world marked by diversity, embracing and celebrating global culture can play a pivotal role in fostering understanding, minimizing prejudices, and building bridges between people of different backgrounds. The rich tapestry of world cultures has the potential to act as a unifying force, transcending boundaries and reducing the prevalence of hatred, xenophobia, ethnocentrism, anti-Semitism, homophobia, racism, and other biases and discrimination. This essay explores how the appreciation and dissemination of global culture can contribute to a more harmonious and inclusive world. One of the key ways in which world culture brings people together is through cultural exchange. As individuals from different parts of the globe engage in the exchange of traditions, customs, art, music, and cuisine, a shared understanding begins to emerge. Exposure to diverse cultural practices allows individuals to appreciate the uniqueness of each culture while recognizing the common humanity that binds us all. World culture serves as a powerful tool in challenging and dismantling stereotypes. Stereotypes often arise from ignorance and a lack of exposure to different ways of life. By promoting cultural awareness and education, societies can challenge preconceived notions, debunk stereotypes, and create a more nuanced and accurate understanding of diverse communities. This, in turn, contributes to the reduction of biases and discrimination. Governments and international organizations have recognized the potential of cultural diplomacy in promoting global harmony. By showcasing the best of their cultural heritage, nations can build positive relationships and enhance mutual understanding. Cultural diplomacy goes beyond political boundaries, creating a platform for dialogue that transcends geopolitical differences. The advent of global media and technology has further accelerated the dissemination of world culture. Through the internet, social media, and digital platforms, people can easily access and share cultural content from around the world. This interconnectedness fosters a sense of global citizenship, encouraging individuals to see themselves as part of a larger, diverse community. World culture promotes values of tolerance, acceptance, and inclusivity. As individuals become more exposed to different cultures, they are more likely to develop an open-minded approach towards diversity. This inclusivity extends beyond cultural differences to encompass aspects such as gender, sexual orientation, and religious beliefs, contributing to the reduction of homophobia, racism, and other forms of discrimination. The power of world culture to bring people together and minimize prejudices is undeniable. By embracing cultural diversity, fostering understanding through cultural exchange, breaking down stereotypes, engaging in cultural diplomacy, and leveraging media and technology, societies can create a more inclusive and harmonious global community. As we celebrate the richness of our collective heritage, we pave the way for a world where acceptance and appreciation triumph over hatred and discrimination. Culture facilitates social cohesion and encourages community engagement. It brings people together, strengthens bonds and creates a sense of unity amidst their differences. So let's celebrate our cultural heritage. Let's share our stories, traditions and experiences with others. By exploring and understanding different cultures, we can shape a brighter and more interconnected world.
Thank you for watching. My channel, The Renaissance Spirit, is dedicated to the pursuits of a just, equitable, and humanitarian world. Video topics encompass areas including the history, politics, religion, personal development, society, culture, social and environmental justice, and other topics of liberal arts and sciences, including ancient Rome and the Roman Empire, which is a great comparison and contrast of the modern world. Topics perfect for the true modern polymath. The Renaissance ushered in a golden age in the pursuit of knowledge both lost to time and yet to be discovered. It gave birth to the Enlightenment and the Age of Reason. Embracing truth, knowledge, and an understanding and compassion for humanity opens up the world to each of us individually and improves all of humanity, affording us the opportunity to be better stewards of the earth and to each other. The Renaissance spirit. More than just a philosophy or style, but a style for living, learning, growing and thinking. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share. If you're looking to explore and experience what life has to offer, I'm sure you'll enjoy the other videos on my channel. Please peruse my video library, and let me know in the comments what you get out of them and what other videos you'd like to see. But first, please take the quiz next to see if you're a Renaissance spirit. Live the Renaissance spirit.